Good afternoon, guys. Again, this is my pinky perennial flowers that I still had around here into the plant of my garden. I wasn't expect that this kind of flowers is still carry on producing flowers, because I start having flowers in this after kind of springtime, and now look what I have still having around here. So I just really I feel happy because I'm still having it around here into the plant of my garden. And this is a part kind of wildflowers, but that's what someone told me. But I don't mind. I just really like looking after them. Yeah, because I think this is really gorgeous, beautiful color by having it. I'm glad I'm having this because this is the hardy plants, flowers going on as well that I had in here, and I love it because it's a hardy plants and I don't need to spend so much time and effort by looking after them. I only giving water during the summertime, and that's it. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. But I quite happy by having this kind of flowers. But I've seen this from other people's as well, from other people's garden. They used to have kind of bright red or white, something like that, but I haven't got that kind of color. I only got the pink one, but I don't mind any having it. But I still got more flowers going on over there, but it's just the same one. But I don't have much this kind of pink perennial flowers going on because I think it's spring nearly over. Look at that over there. Yeah, and I got some more over here as well, right into the corner. But I gonna take some pretty quick short video like that. My god, it's nearly gone. Look,